Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so this is how the show is going to go today. We're going to be in the microphone.
All
Okay,
right.
so thank you, ladies. Thank you for walking us through this and being patient. You know, we're new to this, we're new to this technology. What do
Yeah.
you
Yeah.
have to say, Nigel?
Hey guys. Hey guys.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. This is it's a learning process, you know. Yes, yes. I want to say thank you guys for joining us, and you know, I think we have a question here
Oh, yes.
from Beth.
Yes.
Beth want to
Oh
know
yeah.
how to store the oil and if it has any shelf, if it what's the shelf life, if it has any
Oh,
expiry.
good question.
So my very first batch, I still have, oil from it, and it has not gone bad. In Jamaica,
Wow.
when we were doing this in Jamaica, though, it does require us to put an expiration date on it, and the expiration date that we put on it was 6 months, but it can last for a longer time. However, if any moisture get inside of the bottle, it will cause rancidity, and it will cause the
Mhm.
oil to go bad. So,
Mm.
like, and she mentioned if you left it like in your car and it hot or cold temperature. So, as long as there's no moisture in the bottle, if you left it in your car and say it's snowing outside, what's gonna happen is it's gonna freeze it up, and the oil in the bottle will just get hard. So in order to use that, you would have to like boil up some water, make sure the bottle is still sealed. Then just put on some water, let the water comes to a boil, then you turn the stove off, and then you make sure the bottle is sealed tight and put it in there for about a minute, and then take it out and let the oil thaw out, and then you'll be able to use it. So
Okay.
it doesn't make any difference if it like as long as it doesn't directly um exposed to sunlight, then you shouldn't have any problem, or any kind of heat, then you shouldn't have any problem. But like in the car,
Okay.
then the car is hot, that won't change the properties. It in the car is cold, that still won't change the properties. The most thing you have
Okay, good
to
to know.
be careful of is make sure there's no moisture getting in the bottle. And like if you use it, like if you have it like in your bathroom like we do with our personal bottles, then you have to be careful of that. If you're using the dropper, the one with the dropper, you have to be careful of the stem touching your skin, and your skin has moisture, and then you put it back in the bottle you know so that's just
Mhm.
basically
That's good to know.
the main thing you
Thank
have
you.
to
Yes, it
look
is. It's
for
very
is
good to know.
moisture.
Thank you so much for that.
You're welcome.
I have a question. I think we talked about it last week. Acne and blackheads. Was it the moringa oil
That's the moringa
that's
oil.
good for blackheads?
Yes, ma'am. That's the moringa oil.
I can't hear you.
That's the moringa oil.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
And that's good for acne as well, right?
It's good for acne and blackheads, and it's wonderful for like prickly nails. Um, it's wonderful for like dry scalp. There's
I've
so
been
many.
using it on my nails. But
Yes, it will help to make the nails stronger. There's a lot of uses for moringa oil. It has a lot of properties that helps to also lock moisture in the skin, moisturize the skin. It has a
hmm
lot of vitamin C that helps with collagen, and boosting
hmm
collagen and tightening up the skin and stuff like that.
Okay.
It definitely does help with the blackheads and acne. It helps to get rid of it. We're not making any medical claims, but it's just
Right.
information that has worked for us and other people. So
Okay.
we're sharing
Where do you get that from?
the information,
Yes.
or the
The
moringa
moringa
oil.
oil. Where do you get that from? Do you sell it?
Yes, I make it myself.
Yes.
We get the
It's
seeds from
wonderful too.
Okay, I'm gonna have
yeah,
to try that.
we get the seeds from Jamaica, and I cold press the seeds and extract the oil from it.
Okay.
Yes, there is
I use it under my eyes, Charlene.
Uh-huh.
and on my in the access on my nails. See,
Okay. Yeah, because I have under the eyes dark. Yeah, and I put it on my. I have long nails, so I can use it on my nails too. I'll get some.
on your cuticle.
Uh huh.
Yeah.
Yes.
This is the actual seed, what it looks like.
Okay.
So this one is enclosed in the shell, and then you crack it open,
Mm-hmm.
and once you crack it open, then you have
Here, I'll
the
hold this.
kernel right there. Okay.
I'll hold it.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Okay.
Yeah. So and this the seed itself can be used for a lot of different stuff. We make oil out of it, but after I make the oil, the press cake, which is just the pulp that left
Mm-hmm.
after the oil is extracted, can be used to purify water. Like that's how
Mm.
potent these little seeds are. And in some cultures, are right now people around the world, even here in America too, eat these seeds, and they help with a lot of like high blood pressure, um,
Mm.
diabetes, a lot of different complaints, arthritis, all kind of stuff. These help with. And there's a lot of
Okay.
information out there online on the actual plant itself and how to use the plant, because there's powders that you can use in your everyday meal that you eat from the plant itself.
Mm. I love nature.
Yeah, man, nature is the
Yeah.
best. That's where we're from.
Yes.
Yeah, man. Yes, yes, ma'am. And if you guys have any more questions?
And show her that
Oh,
this
oh,
is pure.
yes, yes. So, oh, I have one with a dropper, so because I want you to actually see the oil.
Okay. I love the moringa oil
Yes,
for underneath my eyes,
Yes.
around the where I would get fine lines, and
Uh-huh.
I use it every day.
yeah,
Okay.
absolutely. So we have two different sizes. We have the 2 ounce and we have the half ounce. The
Okay.
half ounce is our sprayer, but I'm gonna do this from the 2 ounce because I want you guys to see the actual oil.
Yeah, I would do the
And
2 hours.
there is
I like the
there is no
drops.
yes, ma'am. That's actually the bigger bottle, and there is
Mm-hmm.
no additives or filament. Yeah, this is pure oil extracted from the moringa seed, filtered and bottled.
Okay.
Yes. And you wanna demonstrate
Of
using it?
course, you should.
Alright, so let's
Excuse me.
Bless you.
bless you.
Thank you.
Put it on your hand. So you only need like maybe one or the most
Here, move forward.
two
Move
drops.
forward, honey. No.
No.
Okay.
Oh. Yeah, so just one or two drops.
Okay.
That you apply, under the eye areas.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, go
Mm-hmm.
ahead. Yes. If you have like sensitive skin, you try a little bit first and see how your skin react to it, and then you can go ahead and you use it afterwards if you see that your skin react to it. Bless
Bless
you.
you.
Bless you.
Bless you.
Allergies. No
Yeah, man.
COVID.
And then whatever little bit left on your hands, you can apply on your nails, and that helps with your cuticles and make them stronger, especially if your nails have get dry sometimes.